Okay, Fairphone 6
that
way
one's
post-market
nice.
price.
I mean, you can also run it on
Bosch.
an old laptop. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Really matter. Do you also provide VM images if I just want to put
It feels pretty solid.
You have a YouTube channel? We don't post them. What is it called?
Nostalgitech.com.
What?
Nostalgitech.com.
Nostalgitech.com.
Yes. Settings.
May I ask also, by the way, is there is this mainline Linux for the win here?
Yeah.
So how's the distribution of this coupled together? Like, do you maintain post-market OS as a distro by itself?
It's a distro, but it's let's say a downstream distro. So
Downstream from
from Alpine.
from Alpine.
Yeah. So everything which is not phone specific goes up to Alpine. Like every system package.
security
Yeah, okay, nice, very cool.
I mean, we added System D to our bike. System D, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah, we
do it
added
with
it to
one
our
hand.
bike.
to our system D to our
I mean, this is an Alpine.
Pretty
Yeah, we run it on Alpine.
Let's check the camera.
Oh, right. It's not in Alpine.
Missing camera permission.
But maybe I don't understand it correctly. You said you are system D. I'm not sure.
No. I did something which is not correct. So
working or
What is the correct?
It worked like an hour ago.
basically, we are based on Alpine and we use System D.
Yeah. Oh, Alpine is without.
Well,
Yes.
oh no, this is the
But
settings for
System D
the
is not in Alpine
top
yet.
options.
Just in post-market.
Back.
We are like to
Settings.
not keep
Normal
the
settings.
patches to us. We like to
Okay, notification,
the patches
details.
as upstream as
Oh no,
possible.
camera.
For example, the System D support, System D was missing the muzzle
Again.
compatibility.
the thing about this OS is like it's easy to build.
Yeah, must say.
Camera.
Great new user interface.
But we upstream the muzzle support to System D.
Now,
That's the general idea of everything. Like
probably
if we
the
are using
implementation
some,
is missing for the
other
moment.
Project like Bosch, the user interface, or
but
the
the rest
Linux
is very
we
nice.
try to collaborate with the other project as much as possible.
Whether you have
Because
internet
if
or
you
not so
keep all
good.
the patches
Cellular no,
then
Wi-Fi,
we weighted down.
we can
Because
base
you
on
have to
that.
keep rebasing and
the
this stuff never gets
Time should be relocated.
to the right project.
It's better to
Okay.
get back to.
But in the rest, this device
I
is
understand.
awesome.
That is very cool. You get a lot of
We
Port
thought
USB,
that approach upstream first.
the personalization button,
sounds very slogan. Very,
volume here.
catchy.
Catchy.
This is not implemented yet, but
Nice.
nothing.
Thank you so much for the talk. I'm gonna head on.
Microphone here.
Hopefully I can get post-market system